Welcome students again. In this lecture, we are to continue the next example in exercise in exercise 4.1. In previous lecture, we are to solving the example number 2 and question number 3 solve at the homework. Now we start the question number 4. Question number 4, and in this question to find the minors, to find the minor and cofactor of the determinant, and that determinant is d equal to determinants of elements are 2 minus 1 3, then 1 2 minus 1, second row is there, third row is the 5 7 and 2. Now we calculate the minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactors. Now see this one by one. Simultaneously we calculate the minors and cofactors. Now first of all, for this solution we write the position of these elements. Now these positions are, first row is A11, A12, A13, second row is A21, A22 and A23. Third is the A31, A32 and A33. These are the position of that elements. First of all, we calculate the minors of this element A11. A11 means these two. Minor of these two. Now see this. How can calculate that minors? We write the statement, the minor of A11 is equal to M, capital M11, and that is nothing but the solution of this determinant in which that elements is lie. We are to striking that row and columns. It means आपको क्या करना है, जिस एलिमेंट का आपको माइनर निकालने का है उस एलिमेंट जिस रो में और कॉलम में दोनों को ड्रॉप करने का है, और उसके बाद आपके सामने 4 नंबर्स रहेंगे. जैसे कि यहाँ पर हमने फर्स्ट कॉलम और फर्स्ट रो को ड्रॉप किया, तो आपके सामने 2 और -1, 7 और 2, ये 4 नंबर मिलेंगे और इसको आपको सॉल्व करना है. सो 2 multiply 2 is 4, cross multiplication, minus sign is there, and 7 multiply -1 -7, that becomes +7. So your answer is 11. Okay. Now calculate the cofactor of A11, that is represented by the C11. For this cofactor we apply the formula Cij equal to -1 raised to I plus j multiply Mij. In this example, small letter represent the position of element. Okay. Then M11 represent the minors and C11 represent the cofactors. Now to calculate the C11, so we get -1 compulsory there. 1 plus 1, that is 2. We take the addition of these two number. This number 1 plus 1, that is 2. Multiplied by the minor. Minor is M11. Negative square is positive. M11 is 11. So this multiplication is +11. In this way, we calculate the all elements. First, we confirm the notation. Small letter indicates the elements. Capital M11 letters represent the minors and capital C represent the cofactors. Now one by one. Calculate the M1, 2. It is the cofactor of the next element and that elements are taken A12 means this element minor that represent by the M12 and simply written as the elements. Striking this first row and second column, the elements are 1, -1, 5 and 2. Now solving this, we get 1 multiplied 2 is 2, minus 5 multiply -1 -5 that becomes +5. So that answer is 7. Now calculate the cofactor that represent by the C, capital C. -1 raised to 1 plus 2 is 3. Now multiplied by the minors are M12 represented by the M12. -1 cube is -1 and M12 is 7. So this answer is -7. Answer is -7. Now to complete the three elements. Now next elements which are taken and that will be A13. Okay? A13. A13 means this element. A13. This element. Now calculate the minors. That will be represented by the M1, 3 into determinants 1, 2, 5 and 7. These four elements are remaining. Multiplication 7 minus 10. Subtraction is -3. 1 into 7 is 7. 5 into 2 plus 10 becomes -10 and that subtraction is -3. Now calculate the cofactors represented by the C 1, 3 equal to -1 raised to 4 multiplied by the minors M13 equal to -1 raised to 4 plus 1 M13 is -3. So that answer is -3. Okay. So we completed the first three elements. Completed the first three elements. Now we calculate the next series. Now calculate the minors of the next three elements, which is in the second row. Which is in the second row. Now see this second row. We calculate the minor of this second row R2. Simply first M11 capital M1 sorry M21 position of that element, that is the minors. Elements are -1, -1 3 and 7 2. This multiplication -2 -21. 7 into 3 plus 21 becomes minus. So this subtraction is -23. -23. Again calculate the cofactors, that is C21. -1 raised to 2 plus 1, that is 3 multiplied by the minors. Minors are -23. So -1 cube is minus into -23. Multiplication is +23. The first element completed. Now second M22 -1 raised to 4 multiplied by M22. First we calculate this minors. Calculate the minors. ठीक है. See this minors for the m22 means this number 2, and that elements are 2, 3 and 5, 2. Again cross multiplication, 2 multiply to 4 minus 5 multiply 3, 15. This subtraction is minus 11. Then calculate the cofactor, that is C22. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 is 4 multiplied by the minors. Minors are minus 11. So minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 multiply minus 11. So that answer is minus 11. Okay. Now next, number third element. That position is m 2 3. That will be equal to 2 3 means minus 1. Their elements are 2, minus 1 and 5 7. 7 multiply 2, that is 14, minus 5 multiply minus 1 minus 5, that becomes plus 5. So your answer is 19, plus 19. Then again we calculate the cofactors in C23. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3, that is 5 multiplied by minors are 19. So minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 multiply 19. Multiplication is minus 19. So in this way we completed the minors and cofactors of the second row. Completed the minors and cofactor of the second row. Now to calculate the minors and cofactors of the third row. For the third row, positions are m31 means third row, first column. Now select the elements, third row. Now see this. For the third row, means to calculate the minors of this 5. So tracking this column and third row. Remaining numbers are minus 1, 3, 2, 2 and minus 1. So we write that number minus 1, 3, 2 minus 1. Minus 1, 3, minus 1, 3 and 2 minus 1. Solution. 1 multiply 1 is 1. Minus 2 multiply 3, 6 plus 6 becomes minus 6. So your answer is minus 5. Now calculate the cofactor, that is C31. Formula is minus 1 raised to 4 multiplied by minors. Minors are minus 5. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 4. Plus 1 multiplied by minus 5. So multiplication is minus 5. Okay. Now next, m32. Third row, second column. And that elements are 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and minus 1. Okay. Equal to minus 2, minus 3. Again answer is minus 5. Calculate the cofactors, that will be C32 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3, that is 5 multiply minors are minus 5 minus 1 multiply minus 5. So your multiplication is plus 5. And finally the last number, that is m33. Third row, third column. And that numbers elements are 2. That elements are, now see this, that elements are in number 3. 2 minus 1, 1 and 2. 2 minus 1, 1 and 2. Now see this, 2 minus 1 and 1 and plus 2. So this answer, 2 multiply to 4 minus minus plus 1, easily we get plus 5. Plus 5. And then calculate the cofactors, that is represented by the C33. That is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 is 6 multiplied by minors are 5. minus 1 raised to 6 plus 1 into 5. Answer is 5. So these are the minors and cofactors of the given elements, given determinants. So in 3 by 3 matrices, totally we calculate the 9 minors and 9 cofactors. But if we apply the one formula, then easily we can get this answer. But in 11 standard, we are to solving in this way. So uh, we have to no more question again to solving these examples. Okay, I'll see this again. We are to solve the next example. Next example, and that example is taken as the number 5. First we cancel this. तर मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला हे सोडवायला काय फारसं डिफिकल्ट नाहीये. थोडंसं त्याचं आन्सर आहे मोठं, परंतु काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही काही. तुम्हाला इझिली ते सॉल्व करता येऊ शकतंय. आता आपण यानंतर पुढचं एक जे एक्झाम्पल आहे त्याला यामध्ये सॉल्व करू. Example number 5. Question number 5. That determinants are given. A determinant elements are 2, minus 3, 5, 6, 0 and 4. Then 1, 5 and 1, 5 and minus 7. Okay. To calculate the minor and cofactor of the element in second row only, for the second row of the determinant, and verify that. Okay? And verify that. Now uh, we know that this position of these elements in this determinant, so that positions are a11, a12, a13. Second row is a21, a22, a23. Third row is a31, a32 and a33. Okay. First we calculate the minors and cofactor of the second row. Second row means only this row. Okay. It is called as the second row. To calculate the minors and cofactors of this second row. Now say this. First we calculate the minor of this position, and that will be represented by the m21. M21. It is the multiplication of the 4 elements minus 3, 5, 5 and minus 7. 5 and minus 7. This multiplication is 21 minus 5 multiply 5, that is 25. This subtraction is minus 4. Okay. Also we calculate the cofactors of this position. C21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, that is 3, multiplied by the minors are minus 4. So minus 1 cube is minus 1, multiply minus 4, multiplication is plus 4. Okay. In this way we calculate the minors and cofactors simultaneously. Minors and cofactors. थोडे कॅन्सल करून दिसायला भारी दिसतंय. Now next is the minor of second element, and that position is m2 and 2. That will be determinant, which numbers 2, 5, 1 and minus 7. This multiplication minus 14 and minus 5, minus 19. तुम्हाला येतं हे बऱ्यापैकी. Their cofactors are C22, minus 1 raised to 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, multiplied by minors are minus 19, negative raised to 4 is positive, and this multiplication is again negative. Then third, m2 and 3. Okay, m2 3. So that elements are 2, minus 3, 1 and 5. Okay, cross multiplication we get 10 minus minus plus 3, easily we get the 13. Answer is 13 minor. Now calculate the cofactors of C23. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 is 5, multiplied by minors are 13. So we get negative cube, minus 1 raised to 5, odd number. That's why answer is negative. Multiply 13. So this multiplication is minus 13. Okay. First we calculate the minor and cofactors of the second row. Okay. The next, see the verification. See this verification. First verification, small a. Verifications are minus a to 1 multiply m to 1 plus a to 2 multiplied by m to 2 minus a to 3 multiply m to 3 equal to व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ए, म्हणजे दिलेल्या डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू. ठीक आहे. नाउ फर्स्ट वी प्रूव्ह दिस. First we have to prove this. First write the LHS side, that is minus a to 1 multiply m to 1 plus a to 2 into m to 2 minus a to 3 multiply m to 3. Okay. So minus a to 1 is minus a to 1. See this, a to 1. Okay. A to 1 multiply m to 1. Okay. Here first we write the a to 1, a to 2 from these elements. A to 1 that is the 6, a to 2 that is 0, and a to 3 that will be the 4 second row elements. So first we write the minus 6, m to 1 is minus 4 plus a to 2 is 0, m to 2 is minus 19, okay, minus 19, minus a to 3 is a to 3, this number last 4, a to 3 is 4 multiply m to 3 is 13, minus minus plus 24 plus 0 minus 13 multiply minus 4 that is minus 52, and that subtraction we are to take this subtraction, and that subtraction is minus 28. Okay? Minus 28. Now then we calculate the RHS side, and in RHS side to calculate the value of A, it means we calculate the determinant of the given elements. Okay? Again see this determinant. Uh, Again see this determinant, that elements are 2, minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5 and minus 7. Okay. To calculate this determinant easily we get first number is 2, first number is 2 multiplied by the value, this one 0, 4 and 5 minus 7. Middle term is middle element is negative, that becomes positive. 3 multiply minors are 6, 4 and 1 and minus 7. 5 into minors are elements are 6, 0 and 1, 5. So we get 2 into 0, that will be 0. 0 minus 20 plus 3 multiply minus 6 into minus 7, that is minus 42 minus 4 plus 5 into 30 minus 0, plus 5 into 30 minus 0. Now this multiplication minus 40, this will be minus 46 multiplied by 3, that will be 6 to 3 is 18, 1 carry 6 to 4 to 3 is 12, 12 plus 1, that is 13, minus 130 plus here 5 is there in next bracket, that is the 5. 5 multiply 3, that is 150. 5 multiply this 150. Then to take the addition and subtraction of this, we get the minus 28. So this implies LHS and RHS are equal. Hence the required proof. Okay? So easily we get this proof. Easily we get this proof. Now one more proof is there. One more proof is there. We solve that proof at homework. यामध्ये पहा, इथं आपण C1, C2, C3 कॅल्क्युलेट केलेत. यामध्ये तुम्हाला दिसतील इथं. बरं, दिस सेकंड प्रूफ. A21 आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केले, C21, C3 हे सर्व कॅल्क्युलेशन केलेले आहेत. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ए पण आपण मिळवलाय. फक्त यामध्ये व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट केले की तुम्हाला ते प्रूफ यामध्ये मिळून जाईल. सो दॅट इज द रिक्वायर्ड क्वेश्चन. ठीक आहे, थोडा मोठा आहे त्यामुळे एक पार्ट मी सॉल्व केलाय, एक बी पार्ट तुम्ही होमवर्क मध्ये सॉल्व करा. आणि हे जे आहे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 तेही तुम्हाला होमवर्क मध्ये सॉल्व करा. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनंट एक्सपांडिंग युजिंग द थर्ड कॉलम जो आहे हा कॉलम, याला ग्राह्य धरून आपला तो सॉल्व करायचा. ठीक आहे, सॉल्व करा. जर नाही सॉल्व झाला तर मला निश्चित माझ्या फोन नंबरवरती पाठवा, ते व्हॉट्सअपवरती मी तुम्हाला तो निश्चित सॉल्व करून देईल. ठीक आहे, तर मुलांनो आपण पहिल्या 2 लेक्चर मध्ये फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट केलाय, डिटर्मिनंटचं इंट्रोडक्शन आणि त्यामध्ये असणारी एक्सरसाइज. तर आपण पुढच्या लेक्चर मध्ये त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज आणि त्यावरती डिपेंड असणारी एक्सरसाइज आपल्याला घेता येईल. तोपर्यंत तुम्ही परत याची प्रॅक्टिस करा. ओके, बाय बाय.